Rainforests are important for many reasons. Firstly, they provide a natural habitat for an amazing variety of living creatures.
For birds and animals which live in the trees. And on the ground. For reptiles and fish living in the huge rivers and lakes, and of course people. Rainforests provide the livelihood for millions of people from ancient tribes. Brazil's population is 120 million people, 50 million are peasants with no land. The Yanomamo tribe are perfectly adapted to the place where they live. This has been their way of life for over 20,000 years. In Sao Paulo's, life expectancy is just 30 years. 1/5 of the children die before their 6th birthday. One child dies every minute.
Rainforests are also important because the trees absorb harmful carbon dioxide, the so-called greenhouse gas.
The greenhouse effect. Carbon dioxide and other gases pollute the atmosphere and trap the sun's heat, causing global warming. Global warming causes changes in our climate. Global warming means real danger. Burning fossil fuels increases carbon dioxide. Burning rainforest trees adds more carbon dioxide. And destroys the trees which absorb carbon dioxide. CFCs deplete the valuable ozone layer, which protects the Earth from harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. We must recycle animal waste, use less fuel, and use less trees. And we must find new sources of energy, such as tides and hydroelectricity, wind and sail power, and the energy from the sun.
We've seen how important rainforests are to the Earth's survival. You can help.
By writing to Greenpeace and Friends of the Earth. Then man's and wildlife's natural habitat can be preserved for future generations.